Konstantin Malkov, private blog. Okay, hello comrades. So today we're going to eat kebab in Moscow. Moscow, by the way, is famous for kebab and sushi. Weird, right? But alright, if you want to have a snack in Moscow, I think one of the, I will not say the best place, but it is the optimal place here. It is Most Doner. So eat kebab, and I will show the optimal way to cook kebab in Moscow. That's how people are doing here. So one guy came to us and started telling us, like, don't tell about local kebab, tell about the prison. By the way, here is the prison over here. Famous Russian Butyrka. But the goal today is to tell you about Most Doner. So let's go inside and check out what is what. Let's roll. So briefly, to go inside, you need to wear a mask, of course, due to the pandemic situation. But look around. Let's have a look around. They have a store over there with drinks and cigarettes. Plus, they have places to sit. So let's check the menu. So again, what we're going to take here, we will take the most popular shawermas, so kebabs here, and let's see how they roll it, how they make it. So stand by. While we're making an order, I will tell you about the prices. So an average price here is approximately 230 rubles. It is like 75 rubles per $1 right now. So approximately $3 per one kebab. Quite affordable, right? The first thing I would like to highlight is the size of kebab. It is the whole kebab just cut into two pieces in one lavash or in the second type of lavash. And this is exactly kebab. Again, the size. Like this. Huh?
Look at my kebab. Yes. Look at my kebab. I will take my kebab and put it into your flour over so la la.
So, this is number one. After it, check the stuffing. The fork is over here. We can definitely see the amount of meat here, the amount of vegetables, and the sauce. Everything looks very juicy. It just, you see, everything looks well. So let's check it.
So let's try this one.
It is like twice as big as my hand. I regard it as pattern, as examples, a good example how to make a great kebab, really. So, Most Doner. Yeah, this is what I was searching for in Indonesia and in China for the last 3 years. Another dish I want to show you, it is pancake with these 7 types of different greeneries, so different stuffing made from different wheats. Look at this. Like this.
Yummy.
So, smells nice. Maybe a little salt, and moreover, we need some more rich flavor here, rich taste. Maybe some grass is missing, but in general, for this amount of gas, like $2, it's worth it, really. And the next dish, it is really chicken kebab. It's a chicken, right?
Yep.
Chicken kebab. So this is a kind of a sausage that we have here with lots of lavash, lots of bread. Let's slice it. You see how juicy the meat is? You see it? Yeah. So let's try. You see? So we put it into the sauce and eat it like this. Marvelous. Juicy meat. Obviously it is made on the charcoal because it smells smoke little. My God. So these dishes I will regard as the platter. I'm not saying that it is the best ever what I have ever tried in my life. I will not say this. But if I will compare other places which are also offering kebab sauce, especially in other countries, I will compare them with this place, Mos Doner. Speaking by fact, $16 for 2 kebabs, huge shawarmas, right? Marvelous, tasty, spicy enough, juicy with the sauces inside, enough garlic, enough spice. Everything was cool, really. It's not just a plain ketchup. This is a handmade tomato sauce and the handmade sour cream and onion and garlic sauce too, right? Kebab, French fries, and this stuff, jangal, so pancake with greenery. This is an example of wonderful, marvelous, splendid shawarma. $16? You saw it previously? Right. If I will compare other restaurants with which are serving shawarma too, I will compare them with this one. Agreed? So, from my point of view, it is the best option for this amount of money and the best option for the taste. But it is enough for today, comrades. Put like, subscribe, or whatever bloggers say. Not pass around. Enemy shall not pass. Victory will be ours.